Wisdom sent me some stuff from China. Yep, they sent me a whole box of stuff for writing this song for them, and it's gonna be awesome. Let's see what they got. This isn't the original box that it came in, but first off, we got a Wisdom hat. Pretty awesome. Wear it on your head. You've got some paperwork here. This is the miner's cap lamp. A lot of information and good stuff to read about lights, stuff like that. This is a products technical data sheet. You can do a lot of technical data sheeting, or some sheet on this. It's pretty sweet. Some more paperwork, a bunch of Wisdom stickers. I'm gonna put these everywhere. Actually, my kids want them. They want to put them on everything. I got a bunch of these covers for the Wisdom cap lamps. You guys have seen these before. I have a variety of colors. There's purple, white, black, camo is pretty cool. I like the black and the orange one myself. It's pretty sweet. It comes with an awesome shirt. Pretty cool, polo shirt. It's got another t-shirt. This is a Wisdom shirt, Wisdom lights. It's pretty cool. And it came with, let's see, I'll get to that. It came with a bunch of these little safety lights that look like this. They're either on a blinking setting or they're a solid light. And this came in every color. I got yellow, white, red, green, and then like, I think the other one's blue light. These things are awesome, actually. I'm gonna keep one in my pie can for if my cap lamp ever goes out, which it shouldn't, because it's a Wisdom. Anyway, if it goes out, I'll just turn it on and find my way out of my heading. Like some of us have done before, just feeling the rib on the way out. Like a blind man on a date, you know what I mean? I got some books here. These are just empty lined books for writing stuff down. I'm obviously gonna write some songs in them. So, or draw some really cool pictures like I do. And oh, I got these straps that each one of these safety lights comes with. And I got the standard Wisdom light that you guys have that are amazing. They're best. They don't have a cord on them, to say that much. They are amazing lights. They'll come with the chargers. And this one's pretty cool. This one is the Wisdom 4. Looks like your normal cap lamp. But this little baby comes with a whole plethora of cords that you can plug your cell phone into while it's hooked up, and you can charge your phone off of this guy. And I'm assuming other accessories or whatever, however you want to do it. But what I like is it comes with these little magnets that you can hook on and stick it onto something while you're working on something. And like myself, that'd be pretty handy at work. Comes with a headband where you can just wear it without a hard hat. That could have come in handy putting up all my Christmas lights, because I do that in the dark sometimes. What's really cool is it was free. Well, not free, because I have to write this awesome, amazing song. I mean, it's gonna be cool. Come with a bunch of accessories, small accessories. Like this guy's cool. You can take this and hook it on to the brim of your hat, and then put a Wisdom light on there. Genius. I'm not wearing a hat, or I'd show you. I guess there's a Wisdom hat there, but it's plastic, in a plastic bag. Like, Wisdom lights are badass, but it's like, if a company like that could make cap lamps, I'll bet they would make a killer flashlight. Like, whoa, dude, check it out. This thing is crazy. Like, I've had a lot of flashlights in my day, but this thing is the Wisdom Aurora Pro, and it has that sort of 80s style. But let me tell you what, this thing will blow you away with how bright it is. That's setting 1. Yeah, and it goes brighter than that. This thing's amazing. I highly recommend you guys going out and getting one of these. They're sweet. Comes with a little charging station. Plug it in. I mean, I don't know how long the battery life. I'm assuming it lasts for like 8 years on a charge, something like that, the way it feels. Pretty awesome. But yeah, that's it. Oh, my favorite part. Wisdom Post-its. Yeah, I mean, can't ever have too many Post-its. But anyway, that's it. And I'm gonna finish working on this song and get it recorded to hopefully by the first of the year. It's gonna be the light of the wisdom in the light, something like that. But we'll figure it out when we get it all recorded. But we'll get it out to you soon. Merry Christmas.